What's up, all my students? This is the last project, the coronavirus art project. What you're going to do is you're basically going to create a piece of art about coronavirus, the quarantine that we're in, and something that has affected you because of this quarantine, because of coronavirus. So this means you can ask yourself questions like, what am I doing now that I didn't do before? Or what am I missing out on that I would not have missed out on if it hadn't been for this quarantine? You're going to make a piece of art based upon these questions. You can also do some research on this. So these are some things I typed in here to help you guys out. So I typed in COVID-19 student art, coronavirus art, coronavirus student art. Start doing some research. Dig around to see what other students have made, because I'm not the only art teacher that has asked their students to create a piece of art based upon our current circumstances and what we're going through. So let's look at this. So as I was scrolling through this, what I really enjoyed was something like this. Seniors have been denied their normal graduation ceremony. Face masks are everywhere. That's totally different. You can make a mosaic based upon this. You can also use any materials that you wanted. You can make a sculpture. You can do a mosaic. You can do a drawing. You can do a painting. You can do a photo montage, meaning you can create a series of photographs of things that you would have possibly done, but now are not able to do. Take, for example, I've been walking around and I've been noticing a lot of park benches wrapped up in yellow tape. So now I'm going to do a photo montage of things that I would normally use, but now I can't because of coronavirus, because it's wrapped up in this yellow caution tape, like, be careful, corona. I mean, I'm not saying it's stupid, but I am saying it's inconveniencing our life significantly. Ooh, this is another good piece too. I really like this piece. That's a really good one. That student was clearly thinking about, that's another good piece that a student made. Just for kids. So start doing some research about what you can do with this. So as I'm looking at this, look at that, all those ducks are like, run away, or those pigeons. So as I'm looking at this, I'm noticing a lot of face masks, Or washing your hands. So what I've decided to make a painting of is I'm going to go ahead and use my face mask that I've been wearing everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and do a watercolor painting of it, and I'm actually going to do the coronavirus. So coronavirus, I'm just going to put in coronavirus and go to images really fast, images. So let's see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. I'll probably do a watercolor on my face mask, and then with cold colors, I'm already getting a picture of it in my brain, with cold colors, and then I'm going to do a warm color drawing of this, most likely in Sharpie marker or an ink pen. Ooh, that's a really good, I like that image. That's the goal. That's what we're gonna do. Let me go ahead and stop share. So that's the goal. Make any piece of art that you want that is related to the coronavirus somehow. Again, some questions you might want to ask yourself about this project are, what am I missing out on that I previously would not have missed out on because of the quarantine? What are some things that I'm more acclimated with because of the quarantine? What are the things that I do not want to become acclimated with because of quarantine? Like, you can do a drawing of your couch because you've been spending so much time with your couch, or you can do a gesture drawing of your Xbox controller because you've been using the Xbox so much, something like that, something of that nature. Or you can do a compilation of drawings of different things that you're become more acclimated with because of the quarantine. The project should rotate and move around the coronavirus. So you can actually do a picture of the coronavirus, do a montage of something else that having to do with the coronavirus. It has to do something with the coronavirus. And you can use any material that you want: pencil, pen, paint, photography, sculpture, anything. So I'm expecting a pretty wide variety of work from this. All right, tomorrow I'm gonna post my video of me making my face mask and me painting it and me drawing on it. And I'm gonna show you guys the image. I'm gonna post it on my website. All right, I look forward to seeing your art. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me, David M. West. Wait a minute, that's my Gmail. david.west@fwsd.org. Send. I got your back. Let me know if I can help. All right, thanks. Have a good one. This is my son who wants to tell you to subscribe.
Subscribe and like.
That's it?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna dab.
Oh yeah. Yeet.